So let me tell you why the Weber Summit Kamado is one of my favorite smokers to use. Yes, in a sea of plenty, you gotta have that one. So right now I'm running what is called the Minion method in the Weber Summit Kamado. So right now I'm gonna put my deflector down, and then we're gonna shut this down. Our bottom vents are wide open, top vents are wide open. Right now, before I bake my pies, I first want to smoke my sweet potato pies. Those I want to smoke at about 275. We'll get some smoke, but we'll also have enough heat to break those down so that they're ready for the pie. When I'm ready to bake the pie, I can easily control my vent, so open a little more, and then I can get that to go up to 325, 350 to finish my baking. This makes the Weber Summit Kamado one of the easiest smokers to control, next to my drum smoker, probably. This is the true way to get set it and forget it control in a charcoal smoker. We don't need no damn pellets. Bye.